Welcome to the future of learning. Our smart classes from grades 6 to 10 make learning exciting and impactful. With visuals, interactivity, and expert guidance, your child doesn't just study, they understand, explore, and grow. Interactive boards. Visual learning aids. Real-time doubt solving. Engaging educational videos. Making learning fun, engaging, and effective. Smarter tools, better understanding, brighter futures. We believe in preparing our students for tomorrow. Our smart classrooms combine technology and teaching to make learning more powerful, interactive, and fun. Join us, and let's build a smarter future together. Thank you for watching.